Do you know that you can turn your Pinterest boards into a passive income stream without selling any products directly? Have you ever wondered how people are making thousands on Pinterest by simply sharing ideas and inspiration? Step 1. Understanding Pinterest's money-making potential. Pinterest isn't just a platform for pinning pretty pictures. It's actually a visual search engine with over 450 million active users every month. That's a massive audience, and with the right strategy, you can turn those users into paying customers or leads for your business. Unlike other social media platforms, Pinterest users are often actively looking for products, solutions, and ideas, which makes it a great place to attract a buying audience. So how exactly do people make money on Pinterest? There are several methods, but they all revolve around leveraging traffic and turning it into income. The most common ways include affiliate marketing, selling products, offering services, or even using Pinterest to drive traffic to a blog or YouTube channel. Step 2. Affiliate marketing on Pinterest. One of the easiest ways to start making money on Pinterest is through affiliate marketing. You don't need a product of your own, just promote products from other companies, and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Here's how it works. Find affiliate programs. There are affiliate programs for almost every niche you can think of. You can join platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or individual brand affiliate programs that align with your content. Create valuable content. Pinterest users love value, so instead of just spamming your affiliate links, create pins that offer helpful tips, ideas, or inspiration. For example, if you're promoting kitchen gadgets, create a pin with 10 must-have kitchen tools for every home cook. Add your affiliate links. Make sure to add your affiliate links either in the pin description or by linking the pin to a blog post that contains the affiliate links. Always disclose that your links are affiliate links, as per Pinterest's guidelines. Step 3. Drive traffic to a blog or website. Another powerful way to make money on Pinterest is by using it to drive traffic to your own blog or website. The goal here is to get people off Pinterest and onto a platform you control, whether that's your blog, e-commerce store, or portfolio site. Why? Because more traffic to your site means more opportunities for monetization. You can monetize your website through ads, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own products or services. To make this work, optimize your pins for SEO. Pinterest is a search engine, so you need to treat it like one. Research keywords that are popular within your niche and make sure to use them in your pin titles, descriptions, and even the image file name. Create click-worthy pins. Your pin images are what will attract users. High-quality, eye-catching designs are essential. Use tools like Canva to create professional-looking pins that stand out. Link back to your website. When creating a pin, always ensure that it links back to your website, whether it's a blog post, a landing page, or a product listing. The idea is to funnel Pinterest traffic into your site, where you can convert that traffic into revenue. Step 4. Selling your own products or services. If you already have an online store or offer services, Pinterest can be a fantastic platform to showcase your offerings. Many business owners, especially those in e-commerce, use Pinterest to attract buyers, and it works because people on Pinterest are often ready to shop. Create shoppable pins. Pinterest has made it easy to sell directly on the platform by allowing users to create rich pins or buyable pins. This feature enables users to purchase your product without ever leaving Pinterest. Make sure to set this up if you want to make direct sales from Pinterest. To make a long story short, Pinterest is like a giant visual catalog where users are actively looking to buy, making it a great place to sell your own products or services. Step 5. Promoting digital products. If you're in the business of creating digital products, like ebooks, online courses, or printables, Pinterest is a goldmine for promoting these items. Why? Because the audience on Pinterest is often searching for solutions and ideas, and digital products often offer exactly that. For example, if you create planners or printables, you can design a pin showcasing your digital product and link it to your sales page. Pinterest users love helpful tools and resources, so digital products like templates, planners, or design resources can do very well here. Make sure to include a strong call to action, CTA, on your pins, telling users exactly what they'll get and why they should click through to your product.